Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, I want to introduce the Daikon radish and share the simplest recipe to cook it. So this is called 老爸 in Cantonese or 萝卜 in Mandarin. It's also known as winter radish because winter is its harvest season. I don't know why these are so small today. Usually they're like 3 to 4 times the size, but anyway, it does not affect the taste. First, peel the radish skin. I suggest peeling another layer after the skin is removed. I found that the daikon radish in the USA is not as sweet as the ones that I had in China. It is more on the bitter side, and it gives the soup a slight bitter aftertaste. The skin contains more bitter element, so it is very important to double peel it. Cut it into 2/3 of an inch thick rounds. Then stack the rounds and cut them into bite-sized pieces. Chinese people love this long, white root vegetable. We stir-fry it, wrap it into dumplings or buns, make it into salad, pickles, and cake. If you want to see more daikon radish recipes, let me know in the comment. Besides that, you will need a shallot. Discard the end and cut it in half. Peel the outer layers and dice it finely. 5 cloves of garlic. Crush and finely dice them. Place a pot over a medium heat stove and add 1½ tablespoons of oil. Follow up with the diced garlic, the shallot. Optionally, 1 dried red chilies and ½ teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns. Stir for 2 minutes. Add 1½ tablespoons of soybean paste. This is what I'm using. I'll link it in the description. You can check it out later. Drizzle in 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Keep stirring for a minute. Add the daikon radish and pour in 2½ cups of water. You can use vegetable stock if you want. Bring the pot to a boil. Turn the heat to low and let it simmer for 25 minutes. And you're done! Garnish it with some diced cilantro. You can serve it as a healthy side dish. This is so simple but delicious. The radish absorbs lots of flavors. The texture becomes tender and meaty. Me alone can eat all of it without anything else. That's how good it is. Another thing I like to do is to save the braising broth for the next day and boil some noodles in it for breakfast. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!